Meet WowEnhance, an AI-powered photo enhancer designed to improve image quality automatically. This tool is perfect for you if you need to upscale low-resolution images while keeping all the details and a natural look, improve photos taken in the evening, at night, or in poor lighting. WowEnhance removes noise and grain, fixes exposure, and makes your images look clearer and cleaner. Restore all photos with or without colorization. Fix out of focus product photos for e-commerce platforms, or simply make your photos look more unique, polished, and ready to use. With WowEnhance, you can increase image resolution up to 30 megapixels, enlarge photos by 2 times or more, and make your images print ready by increasing their DPI to 300. You can also process multiple images in one batch, which is perfect when you need to speed up your workflow. WowEnhance can improve blurry and pixelated photos, images where people's faces are in shadow or out of focus, and even pictures with text that is hard to read. And if you resell a large number of products but don't have the time or budget to organize a professional photo shoot for each individual item, WowEnhance can be especially useful. In some cases, it can suggest changing the background, improving the lighting, or removing distractions from your photo. This helps create completely new and unique images, diversify your product gallery, and show each item at its best. And here's how it works. Go to WowEnhance.com, upload a photo, and click Enhance Photo. What's great about WowEnhance is that it analyzes both the content and the quality of your uploaded image, then automatically decides how to improve it. You don't need to write prompts, you don't need to adjust any settings, and you don't need to edit anything manually. Everything happens automatically with almost no effort on your part. Once the enhancement is complete, simply compare the improved version with the original and download the photos you like best. That's it, a quick and easy way to make your images sharper, cleaner, and more professional looking in just a few clicks.